Hi, if you're new here, my name is Latera. I am a 24-year-old content creator who likes to overshare about my life on the internet. Okay, but anyway, hi guys, it's been a sec. I am sitting down filming this video to just tell you guys that this year I plan to be here. I plan to show up for you, and I hope you're along for the ride. I've always told everyone this channel is it's something for me. I really enjoy going back and looking at my life throughout the videos and just really enjoying my own experience and like enjoying the time periods that I get to see myself go through. Like, it's very comforting and everything like that, especially when I'm going through super hard times, because I get to know that like there were times when I wasn't going through super hard times, or I can like just go back and reflect. And so we're like a month in now, actually, though, or a couple weeks in, but it is 2024, and I'm just here to say how I'm gonna have the most consistent year of my life that I've had. These are gonna be the methods to the madness to me. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video, though. Please be sure to subscribe so you can be here for the village, for the family, and so we can do this together. Basically, though, this is just for me to come up here and to clarify what's going on with my channel, I guess. So I've been doing a lot of updates, a lot of soul searching, all that good stuff, and the ambiance, the background behind me, my house is getting renovated, so this is what we got. Everyone kind of talks about new year, new me, you know, and this is my first year that I've really been like, I don't really want to talk about new year, new me, because I don't know, I don't like that. It's really giving new year more consistent me. What I mean by that is, like, I feel like this last year, I kind of like found different hobbies and different things that like I really like and implemented those into my life. And I just feel like more so, if anything, I just fell off of doing those things. So this year, I kind of just want to get back into like my hobbies, just get back into myself, give back to myself. I feel like that's just gonna be the best journey. I just want to be more consistent in like loving myself and like really enjoying what being in your 20s is like. As of right now, I'm not saying I've reached all of my like accolades and like all those things that I've strived for, but I feel very accomplished at this point in my life to be a 24-year-old. I do feel like I want to just kind of like have fun and enjoy the little things that I didn't necessarily enjoy in this last year. Does any of that make sense? I hope so. So that's what this video is basically going to be about. New year, more consistent me. I've done several things already. Like, I've made several accomplishments. Like, in my content creation, I have produced various forms of media now, to the point where like I'm comfortable saying that I'm like a multimedia content creator, affirming for myself. I feel like this is the first year that I've really like got into certain points where like I can say these things and like it doesn't feel not real. That's what I do. I've made accomplishments with my fitness, being more in me, being more in my body, like, you know what I mean? Like, just I really learned to love and accept myself for the body that I'm in, and I've like loved her. That's an accomplishment, really getting to that point of my fitness journey where everything just feels okay. There's no more like I'm trying to lose this, I'm trying to do this, I'm trying to do that, you know what I mean? Like, I'm really like, right now I'm very solid in where I'm at, and I'm very happy with where I'm at. And so literally at 24, like, this is the best I felt like in my body. Made an accomplishment of eating better and like putting more into myself. Being young, I feel like we don't really think about things that we eat as much, or like what we're putting into our bodies and stuff like that. And I feel like in this last year, I've really gotten to experience making good food and eating good food and understanding what does what, you know what I mean? And I I've become a foodie. I just love eating food. And I think these two, that my fitness journey and my food eating, go hand in hand, just because since I am really content about like where I am right now, like weight wise and body appearance wise and everything, because I've had bad body dysmorphia and stuff growing up my entire life. Now I'm really getting to eat foods that I like really enjoy and like not thinking about anything else except the food that I'm eating. It just feels very nourishing and it feels very great, and that's like really helped me like heal a relationship trauma, I guess, that like had with food that I've never known about. Period. Those are the things that like I really found myself enjoying in 2023, and in this new year, those are things that I also want to improve my relationship with. I also think about like things that I want to stop doing this year, and this is going to be something that goes along with being more consistent. I've been trying to do this for you and for me, to get better for both of us. I want to build a better relationship with myself mentally. The way people say you are your biggest critic, I feel that my mental relationship with myself, if I'm speaking very honestly, could be better. So that is something that in this year I do want to work on. Also, I'm sorry if the lighting is going in and out. It's overcast, we're gloomy. It's giving Forks, Washington.
In the state of Washington, under a near constant cover of clouds and rain, there's a small town named Forks. Population, 3,120 people. This is where I'm moving.
If you know, you know. Yeah, so I just want to really work on my relationship with myself mentally. Just be there for myself and show up for myself, so I understand like how I need other people to show up for me too. So I also think that like that will help build my relationship with other people, which I love and which I really am looking forward to. I also want to make it a goal for myself to like get out more this year and be more social and more interactive. Your girl is scared of people. Like people just kind of scare me, and like it's not that anyone's done nothing. I just really interacting is just scary for me, and I think it's just me being an introvert. But there was a point in my life where I was extroverted an introvert, and I want to get back to that because I feel like that was the healthiest medium that I had. Like now I be panicked, I don't be trying to do all that because I be scared. I'm gonna get there. How I plan to get to these goals, I'm going to start off every day being dedicated to myself and being dedicated to like my nourishment. So that means that I'm gonna start my days off by going to the gym and making sure that I am working out, and I'm just loving my body and making my body as strong as possible, while also just like working on like maybe imperfections or insecurities that like I may have. Also in that means that I am also going to be doing a lot of work when it comes to cooking and when it comes to nourishing my body that way. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot of that, a lot more cooking content coming. Long form videos are just kind of like, hey, what's for dinner, what's for lunch, whatever. I am a vegetarian. I've been a vegetarian for like 6 years, so kind of finding that balance between like nourishment and good food and easy food is kind of hard for me sometimes, just because I feel like you have to do a lot more work to make your food taste better sometimes, or to maybe get the desired like thing that you're looking for, especially because like if you were someone who has eaten meat previously, in my opinion, like there are certain things that you still do like remember or like long for when it comes to like textures and consistencies. I'm gonna be experimenting with that and just like trying new foods, going out to places and trying new foods, and I'm really excited about that part, showing you guys kind of like the things that I'm eating as a vegetarian, because vegetarians don't just eat salad and sides. I do eat a lot of sides, but that's not all, and I'm gonna put on for my people. I don't have a super consistent posting schedule. I'm not saying there will be videos up weekly, and I'm not saying that there won't be, but what I'm saying is that the days in which these videos pop up may not be the same days every week, and we gonna have to be okay with that. I told myself I'm not going to rush content because, very honestly with y'all, sometimes I feel like I'm sitting here and I'm thinking about how I'm trying to get so much content out because I have so many different ideas at one time, and then it just doesn't come out at all, and then the channel's dry for 2 weeks because I've sent myself into a self-induced shutdown, to be very frank. We don't need to do that. We can just put things out in accordance to what works with us and what I believe is best for us, while also respecting you guys and your dedication to us, me. I'm putting a lot of effort into learning a lot of new editing stuff or whatever, and I'm super excited about that. And this kind of outlet for me is just very exciting. I haven't done one of these sit down life in such a fat minute. That's just kind of where we're at now. That is how we are going to get to where we're getting to. We're going to make sure that we are taking our time. We're going to make sure that we are putting our best efforts and energies into everything that we are doing. We are going to work out and strengthen our bodies and our souls and our minds also, because I also have decided that this year I am really going to be so much more attentive with my journaling, because I used to be super consistent with my journaling and then I just kind of fell off. So I want to make sure that I'm like a lot more attentive with journaling for sure. I feel like journaling is just good for my soul. It's just good for my spirit, and I really want to like dive back into that. And lastly, we are going to make sure that we are fueling our body and nourishing our body. That's really what you guys have to look forward to in the channel this upcoming year. I hope that you're along for that journey with me by making sure that you're subscribed. Subscribed down below, like we talked about. We all have a plan to do something for like a reason, like whether that be like at the end of it you get a trophy or reward, you just feel better, whatever. And so the reason I've decided to take my same like things that I've learned and continue them into 2024, but be more consistent about these specific things, is because I want to improve my mental health and my relationship with myself. I want to grow myself as a content creator a lot more and like really understand what that means and like really grow my skills, because content creation is something that like I'm really passionate about, and it's something that I love a lot, especially like just like learning and just seeing how I'm growing. Even before I was making money doing it, I was really like, I just like it to like it. So I want to keep liking it to like it. I want to cook more nutritious meals for myself, as well as just like learn different cooking skills. I want to get a lot more into baking. I want to dive more into my cooking journey and everything this year, so there will definitely be a lot more cooking content coming. I do want to see myself go to the gym 4 times a week. Lastly is I just want to make lots of memories this year. I want to have like lots of fun. I want to travel. I want to, I don't know, just do me, live in me, you know what I mean? And just like really collect experiences and like in core memories this year. This is how I plan to make this the most consistent year of my life. I'm going to dedicate this year to myself and to my growth, and I hope that you guys have prosperous years and that you guys have a lot of growth this year as well. Stick around, have fun, make sure that you're commenting. I respond to 99.99999.9% of my comments, because I don't know if there's ever something that I don't miss and I don't want it to come back up later that I'm lying. So make sure that y'all comment, let me know what you guys' goals are for this next year. I'm really excited to be here and to share my experience with y'all and to just like come back home, I guess. I feel like I've been away for so long, like I haven't been here for so long. So if you do want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here. as well as linked down in the bio below. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. And that is all that I have for this video, and I hope to see you guys later. Bye!